Hi, I'm Dave from AutoZone. There are a few things on your car that need more attention than the tires. Even the highest quality set will lose effectiveness over time. Driving on worn out tires puts you at risk for having a blowout and finding yourself stranded far from home. Fortunately, there are signs to heed when you wonder when tires should be replaced and checked.
Signs that it's time for new tires. Tread depth. The depth of your tire tread is one of the most obvious visual signs that it's time to change your tire. You can accurately measure your tread depth in millimeters and inches with a tire gauge. Indicator bar. As the tire wears, a bar made of raised rubber running perpendicular to the tread pattern will become clearer. These bars measure how much tread you have left. Don't worry too much if you see one bar, but when you can see 2 or 3, it's time to replace the tire. Tire age. All tires are marked with a born-on day, a series of numbers found on the sidewall starting with the letters DOT. The last 4 digits represent the week and year the tire was made. If your tires are approaching 10 years old, it's time to replace them even if the tire is in decent shape. Tire mileage. All tires are rated for a certain number of miles. This means the tire should be in good condition and able to handle normal use up to that point. So, always keep an eye on the miles. Uneven wear. This is one of the most common tire issues. It's a telltale sign of an alignment problem or that the tires weren't rotated regularly. Most manufacturers recommend rotating your tires at every oil change or every 10,000 miles. Tire bulging, also known as a tire blister, can indicate that the tire is about to pop. The outer wall of the tire is weakening and can't hold air properly. If you see this, get a mechanic to inspect it immediately. Sidewall cracks or dry rotting on the side of your tire. If you see cuts or grooves in the sidewall, it's definitely time to replace your tires. Want to get the most out of your tires? Use a tire gauge to check pressure every time you fill up the gas. You can find one at any AutoZone. Improper inflation can wear out a tire faster than any other issue. So, it's critical not to underinflate or overinflate.
For experts on tires and tire maintenance, check out our list of preferred vendors in your area that can help assist with tires, tire purchase, and alignments. And for more information, be sure to like and subscribe.